Hello friends, Carrie Ann Chandler here, Realtor with eXp Realty, and you're watching Hello Friends, Carolinas. Today I'm at 105 McCraw Road here in Flat Rock, North Carolina. This is listed by John Madden with Alan Tate Beverly Hanks. It's offered at $420 and I can't wait to show you the inside. This home is the Oasis at the end of the road, past the gate. This well-maintained home in Flat Rock, North Carolina has awesome outdoor living features, a deck, a patio, a fire pit, and so much more. I can't wait to show you the inside. I am so in love with this charming front entryway. It's a little perch with a pergola and a swing, perfect for the mornings, and I'm spying a really cute, expansive back porch, and I can't wait to check it out. The home also features a carport right next to the workshop, which we will check out later in the tour. This front entryway has so many features. I love the swing and this beautiful green door. Walking through the front door of the split-level home leads us to an entryway. Up the stairs and to the left, we have an open concept dining area. Don't miss an important feature separating the kitchen and the dining area, a fun breakfast bar. This kitchen has plenty of cabinet space and a fun, deep farmhouse sink. Off the side of the kitchen and through this door, you find a large bonus room surrounded on all sides by a porch. If we come back down the hall off of the dining area, you'll find a closet and the first full bathroom. I love this extra storage space for linens. Continuing down the hall, we have one room that could be utilized as an office or a bedroom with plenty of closet space. And back through the hallway, we come to the first primary bedroom. I love this window that's letting in so much natural light. And then right around the corner is the ensuite bathroom. It's time to head downstairs and see what else is waiting for us. To the left of the stairs is a huge, expansive bedroom that could be considered the second primary. This ensuite bathroom has barn doors and a double vanity. Tucked away in the corner of the bathroom, you'll find the laundry area. I am such a fan of the second primary bedroom, especially the exposed brick wall. There's also barn doors on the closet, which has plenty of space for storage. On the other side of the stairs, on the lower level, you'll find a garage and a second bedroom or office space. We can't leave the main house without exploring this beautiful back deck. Wrapping around the back side of the house, you have rhododendrons back here, lovely sitting area, so much space to entertain, and down below you'll find a fire pit. When we first walked up, you may have spied this potting shed, a unique feature of the home. It's time to head to the workshop, right next to the carport. There are 3 different areas in this workshop. And that is 105 McCraw Road in Flat Rock, North Carolina, listed by John Madden with Alan Tate Beverly Hanks. Thanks for watching, and if you need help finding your home and community in Western North Carolina, give me a call today.